Growing food. There is a cheap and easy way to grow food at school, even if there are no flower beds. Cylinder gardening uses containers that can be placed almost anywhere. You don't need any gardening experience, and the preparation is simple. Why not give it a try? Make a cylinder garden. You will need at least one 5-gallon, 23-liter bucket of the type used to transport food. You could ask a local restaurant to supply clean buckets. Potting soil, vegetable seeds, fertilizer. Directions. 1. Figure out where to place your cylinder garden. You can position it on top of soil or on a human-made surface, such as concrete. Try to find an area that will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight and is close to a source of water. 2. Research vegetables that will grow during the season you are in. If you are gardening at school, look for varieties that you can harvest within a school quarter or semester, 30 to 90 days. Search for compact varieties that can grow in a small space. The vegetables that are suitable for cylinder gardening are beans, carrots, parsley, peas, or tomatoes. 3. Cut off the bottom of the bucket and discard it. Then cut the rest of the bucket in half. You will need to ask an adult to help you. Now you have 2 cylinders. Note, if you are placing the bucket on concrete, it is better not to cut it, but ask an adult to drill drainage holes in the bottom. 4. Put the cylinders in position. 5. Fill them with potting soil and mix in some fertilizer. 6. Plant your seeds, following the instructions on the package for spacing, and water gently. 7. Monitor the seedlings as they grow, keeping them moist with water and adding fertilizer regularly. Thin out the seedlings if they are crushed together. Food miles. Growing your own vegetables reduces food miles. The principle behind food miles is that the farther away your food is produced, the worse for the environment. However, keep in mind that beans that are produced locally using oil-based fertilizers and plowed by diesel tractors could be worse than beans grown by less energy-intensive methods in another country. Storing local food for a long time to be eaten out of season can also use up a lot of energy. Being green. Summing up. Make eco-friendly packed meals and snacks. Stay hydrated by drinking tap water. Grow your own food. Intensive. Something that is intensive uses a lot of effort to complete a task.
On the next slide, you are going to make a text-to-text connection. Is there another text that you've read that relates to what this text has taught us? Or, if you haven't read one, what type of text do you think would relate to this text that we just read?